Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
We are starting this week's video on a quest to find the Western Highlands best kept secret. We are looking for the giant midge, also known as the Monster Midge.
The Monster Midge.
That was very dramatic, but that's essentially what we're doing today. We're not sure really what it is, but it should be pretty fun.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to a beautiful beach. Or if we find the beach first, we'll go to the beach first. But yeah.
How nice is this? Well,
this is a pretty good place to start.
So for those who don't know what a midge or the midges are, they're wee flies, and oh my god, in the summer on the west coast of Scotland they are the worst. This is a perfect example of what they're like right here.
I can think of one advantage to midges plaguing us every year here in the west coast, and that's probably to keep humans away. Imagine a beautiful place like this was to be guaranteed free of midges. You'd have people flocking here all the time. So they act as a slight deterrent for those who really can't stand them. And, if I'm not wrong, I would guess it's probably why Scotland's never been successfully invaded. Imagine the Romans marching up here with their wee scutty looking things and the midges are biting. They would send straight back over the water to Europe. But yeah, I still wish they weren't alive.
Let's go.
So we just parked up in an incredible little park up in a place we've never been before. What's the place called?
Ardtoe.
Ardtoe. Right next to the beach, and I think the owners of the land, it's great, they just asked for a wee £5 donation for staying the night, and it's just stunning. But yeah, we're going to spend the night here, and right now we're going to go and hunt, I say, for the infamous
Monster Midge.
Monster Midge.
The Monster Midge. If you're new to our channel, hi guys, we haven't actually introduced ourselves in this video. This is Calum, I'm Roksana, and we live full time in our self-converted ambulance, actually for over a year now, so it's really cool. And until October we're gonna be in the Ardnamurchan peninsula, so
beautiful part of the world.
Stunning. So the Monster Midge, I don't think it should be too far away, maybe 5 to 10 minutes walk. So it's actually a really nice walk.
Yeah, nice weather as well.
Yeah, it's stunning. Really peaceful as well.
Sheltered.
Mm-hmm. And just out of nowhere, there it is. The Monster Midge.
So there you have it. The thing we came all this way for. The Monster Midge. Not a clue what we can say about it, apart from it's a rock with a face painted on it. But yeah, this is a midgie. I
think this is definitely, if you're visiting west coast of Scotland, this is the place to be.
Yeah, forget Glencoe, forget Glenfinnan Viaduct, or the beautiful lochs and glens that we have here. Come and visit
the Midge. You
will not be disappointed. How's the artwork, Roks?
So I think this is a great example of contemporary art. The different colors of the ice, which I think represents
conflict.
Looks angry. Hi.
Thing you can say about the Monster Midge is that it shows that their winters maybe in the Highlands are a bit boring, or there's nothing really much to do. So either go fishing or enjoy the view, or you just paint faces onto big massive rocks at the side of roads. I wonder if the midge has a name. Can't be Monster Midge.
I know.
It's cool.
Not really sure if there's anything else we can add.
No, can't think of anything. Okay, we go to say bye to the Monster Midge.
Bye, Midge.
And I mean, this was the theme of today's video, but the video does not finish here.
No.
No, because that'll only have lasted 10 minutes. And For the YouTube algorithm, we need 18 minutes at least. So we're going to go to the beach. I think we're going to go for a swim today.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're going to enjoy ourselves. No internet, so we have no choice but to make the most of the outdoors in this nice weather. There we go. I'm ready to go.
We're ready to go. Bye,
Bye,
Midge.
Monster.
Bye. Nice to see you.
So we've actually not been travelling around in the van probably for the best part of 3 weeks, or maybe more actually. And our main reason for getting out and about in the van today was actually to get the wheels moving on the van, because the last thing we want is it seizing up. But it's so good to be back on the road, be parking up somewhere different, even though where we live is absolutely stunning. It's great to be back doing van life properly, even if it's only for a night or two.
Got so many ticks everywhere. I think I must have pulled like 30. You said like
50 at
50
least.
or something. So yeah, it's not only the midges we need to deal with, also the other
Beep! And clegs as well.
and legs. Jesus, yeah. It feels like we didn't really walk far. We came literally from there.
But we have a drone.
We have a drone. And then I'm just really hoping for like another really beautiful beach around the coastline, but I just can't be bothered to walk.
So we kind of have a change of plan. We've kind of decided that it's a bit too busy here. It's lovely, really nice, but we're actually going to head back to near around about our old spot, our usual spot, and that means tomorrow we can just like chill, relax, recoup our energy and then get back to work. But before we go, I want to go for a swim because the water looks gorgeous. Okay, here we go.
I've decided I'm gonna go for a swim too. It looks way too nice.
Go for it.
Yeah. Great view.
Oh, how nice.
That was so refreshing. It was so nice.
A bit cold now.
Whew, yeah.
Don't know why. Maybe it's because we haven't been in the water much this year.
Yeah, not as much as usually actually. I was quite jealous when I saw you in the water. I was like...
I knew. I just knew it. The minute I went in that water, Roks would be like, maybe I want to go in the water.
Yeah.
That
was nice.
But yeah, we're going to head and hopefully get some nice dinner. I'm not sure. Do we know what we're making yet?
Yeah, I'm gonna make some Korean style tofu with rice and a garlic bread on the side. Because
Nice.
why not?
Nice.
Sounds good, yeah?
Cool. It'll be a nice drive back anyway.
Yeah, it will be gorgeous. Ready to party?
Ready to party. I'm ready to eat. I am starving. The
Good.
minute you said, are you hungry? My belly just started chumming.
Rambling. So I've got some tofu and I coated them with corn flour and I'm frying them just to make sure that the tofu is nice and crispy. The rice is on. So I'm just making the sauce for the tofu. I've got Korean hot red pepper paste, some soy sauce, ginger, water and brown sugar, so I'm just gonna put it in the pan. I think it will be spicy, really spicy. Yeah, probably. Okay, I'm not finished. I still need to make garlic bread, but I got some roasted black sesame seeds. Dinner served.
Looks amazing, huh? Very good, thank you, Roks.
And some garlic bread. And just a wee glass of red on the side.
Yeah, to finish off a very, very successful day.
Yeah, we've seen the midge.
We've seen the midge, we've done the swimming. What else do you want?
Nice. And movie time.
Ah, what a gorgeous day. This spot will do just fine. Whew. There's something we haven't really spoke about, is the fact I've been doing a spot of fishing recently. It's just a good thing to get me out of bed in the morning. I'll do a little bit of fishing before work, listen to an audiobook, yeah. And then I can just take in the views. It's absolutely stunning here. I'm going to do a wee bit of fishing this morning in the hope that I can catch some mackerel maybe. We'll see. Have low expectations. Here goes nothing. I'll probably just do this for another 30 minutes. Because then I need to go back to work. Not back to work, I need to go to work. But yeah, it's just super nice to get out here. Most mornings, particularly when it's like this, I must stress it's not usually like this. Woo. Okay. I got a bike. A wee one. Not what I'm looking for, so I'm going to put it in the water quite quickly. Hello. There you go. Could be a pollock. Not really sure. Nice. I'll give it one more cast before I have to go and get ready for work. But it's been nice. Peaceful. Caught one fish. No mackerel. But that's just the luck of the draw.
I'm just back from my early run. I used to run quite a lot when I was at school, so I've been really trying to get back to it and just really use the opportunity where we live. You know that this is, I guess, one of the reasons why we also live in the van, because when you leave the van, you're literally outside. So yeah, you definitely spend more time outside, I guess. And I think I'm gonna go to a beach, literally 5 minutes walk from here, and go for a swim just to cool down a little bit. Let's go! I've been feeling more anxious for the last week, a little bit more than usual, especially in the mornings. So this is usually the time when I just try to take care of myself a little bit more and do things that I don't really want to do. So yeah, going for a run and just do things that are, yeah, I guess a bit better for myself. So after usually like a nice morning for 2 hours, have a nice breakfast, I feel a lot better, and then I can do some work. So the beach I'm going to, it's absolutely gorgeous when the tide is in, but when it's out, it's really ugly. So I really hope that the tide will be in. Yeah, I've got the drone as well, so I can show you how it looks like. Can you tell me where is the beach? Is it that way? Ah, that way? Hi, okay. Thank you. She said this way. Okay, are we ready for this? Cute. I wanted to fly the drone, but obviously the controller doesn't have the connection for the iPhone. So so my camera died just now as well. So I'm just using my phone. But yeah, let's go for a nice wee swim. It's not as warm anymore, but the water looks nice. You can see a beautiful beach behind me. Sorry guys, I don't have the drone. It's not working. This is it. And today's swim felt a lot colder than the one we did yesterday, but it was so nice, really refreshing. So I'm just heading back to the van because I have lots of things to do. Calum is at work, and yeah, a nice morning for myself. So again, thank you so much guys for watching. We hope to see you next time we post another video. So thank you and bye.